Glad to speak to you. This is VELAYUTHAM ASWIN from chennai. Watch till end. இந்த வீடியோவை கடைசி வரை பார்க்கவும். To view this in English, just type in the Google VELAYUTHAM ASWIN. Go to our channel playlist and find out topics. Telegram link I have given in the description column of this video. Join with us and grow rich. Name of the borrower Kamaluddin. Make Bharat Benz. Model Bharat Benz 1623. Year 2018, 7 lakhs, vehicle number PY05E7699. Inspection date all working days from 11 am to 4 pm. Parked at Sawmill Yard, Sriram Automall India Limited, Chennai. Date of action 27th October 2023. Time 11 am to 3 pm. Contact ICICI Bank Limited, SP2, Ambattur Industrial Estate, Chennai 58. Mobile 7550214259. Repeat again, telling the phone number 7550214251. Name of the borrower Kamaluddin. Make Bharat Benz. Model Bharat Benz 1623 2018. Price 6,70,000. PY05E7599. Inspection date all working days from 11 am to 4 pm. Parked at Sawmill Yard, Sriram Automall India Limited, Chennai. Date of action 27th October 2023. Time 11 am to 3 pm. Contact ICICI Bank Limited, SP2, Ambattur Industrial Estate, Chennai 58. Mobile 7550214259. Again telling the phone 7550214251. Below is a reward from you for our hard work. Press like button of our channel, share with friends on WhatsApp and subscribe our channel. Our sincere thanks in advance. To view my answers for your questions regarding banking, real estate, etc., click the below YouTube link or type the below website address in the Google. velayuthamaswin.blogspot.com. Phone number is 8122414652. Thank you very much. We can meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.